a minute.
Yeah, probably. There you go.
There you're a group member. Talk obnoxiously loud. Hey, Ghost, you catch the game last night?
Shut the flip up.
Why don't you shut the flip up?
No, you shut the flip up.
I'm gonna go tell the teacher.
No, don't tell the teacher. Don't tell the teacher.
Touching me. You're touching me. No, not touching me. Salsa strike him.
No. Salsa's an El
It's on the
Bozo.
floor. You're blind.
Give me my gun.
Yeah, honestly. It's on the fucking ground.
Not anymore. I'm
No,
just
no, it's not.
kidding. Here you go.
I'm gonna talk less loud now. I would not do that if I were you.
At least I got another mag. I'm not gonna shoot you. Why would I shoot you? I got no beef with you. Mass KOS?
shit.
Look in the chat.
Holy shit.
I wonder if he's a hacker. I think he's a hacker. Oh shit, he's a hacker. Put your fucking guns away. I wanna die. I wanna die by the hacker.
Shit. Someone drop this man a gun. Let's see his skills. Let's see his gamer skills. It's gotta be his chair. Come on, use your chair. Alright, let me stand behind you. Use your chair. Use your
A
chair.
bozo.
Oh, don't bitch. I wanna see if he could fucking like a Cardi B.
Oh no, I'm gonna get a perma. You're getting perma banned. No, you're getting perma banned.
Hacker. No. Let the hacker man live. Here, I want to see his powers. Hacker man, come here. Hacker man, I'll save you. Come with me. Russian hacker man, run. Hacker man.
Get his ass. You suck.
Hacker man, come here. Hold up. Everybody, hold up. Let me give him a gun. Let me Oh, he's actually punching people. Oh shit.
Oh my gosh, he's beating some ass in the hacker group.
Come over here. Here, take this. I did not give that to you. Alright, use your skills. Spend my life.
It's what, Steve?
True, dude, I'm gonna get
I
you.
thought he was gonna do a cool thing.
Watermelon's gaming cherry.
Oh, my gun's gone.
Freaking El Bozo.
Damn, I thought you were gonna do something cool. Here, punch me from over there. Oh shit, yeah.
The gamer cherry.
Damn, bro.
He's so good at punching.
Guys.
How come you can hack with punches and not with aimbot? That's sad, man.
Damn, you suck. You suck. You suck.
God mode? Oh no. Alright, everybody, kill the hacker.